Hello children, how are you all? Yesterday we have done kinds of sentences. I have explained you kinds of sentences. Okay, and I have given you many examples also. I hope you have understood everything. Okay, I have given you book work. Have you done? I hope you all have done. It was so easy. Okay, after explanation it has become easy, right? Okay, let us discuss the book work now and you can check the answer whether you have done correct or not. Roman number 1, identify the kinds of sentences. Question number 1, is Mr. Sharma your neighbor? Can you see children? Question mark is here. Okay, when question mark is there, it means it will be interrogative sentence. So here you will write interrogative sentence. Second one, Astha gave me a watch on my birthday. Children, can you say it states something? It states that a girl is there who gave a watch on my birthday. Okay, so it will be assertive or declarative sentence. Come to third one. How are you traveling? Can you see again a question mark is there? What does it mean? It means that a question is asked. So it will be interrogative sentence. Okay, come to the next page. Next question number 4. Disha and Astha are going by car. Again, it states something. Okay, it is declaring something that two girls are there. They are going by car. It is a positive affirmative sentence. So it will be assertive or declarative sentence. You can write one, assertive or declarative, anyone. Number 5. Wow, you play the drum so well. Can you see one sign is here? What is it? Exclamation mark? Yes, exclamation mark. So it will be an exclamatory sentence. Now, question number 6. What happened to you? Again, question mark is there, children. Question mark is there, so it will be interrogative sentence. Children, it is very easy to identify interrogative sentence. Whenever you see question mark, it is interrogative sentence. Whenever you will see exclamation mark, it means it is exclamatory sentence. Question number 7. Water the plants regularly. Children, can you see here? I can also write you water the plants regularly, but I have not written. Why? Because it is understood. Okay, you is hidden here. You is a subject here. We have learned subject and predicate. Okay, you is hidden here. Okay, water the plants regularly. I am ordering someone. Okay, I am commanding someone. So it will be imperative sentence. Question number 8. That's a brilliant idea. See children, again you can see exclamation mark. So it will be an exclamatory sentence. Question number 9. It rains heavily in rainy season. Children, again it states something, it declares something. So it will be assertive or declarative sentence. Question number 10. You will fall ill if you play in the rain. Children, can you see? Someone is suggesting something that you will fall ill if you play in the rain. Someone is suggesting something. So when suggestion is given, it will be an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means when someone orders you, commands you, requests something or suggests something to you. Question number 11. Don't play in the rain. Again, instruction is given here. It is a negative sentence, but the instruction is given. So it will be an imperative sentence here. Question number 12. What a fantastic show the children put up. Children, what is this? Exclamation mark. So it will be exclamatory sentence. Number 13. Look before you leap. Children, what is the meaning of this proverb? It is a proverb. Look before you leap means whenever you are going to do something, before doing, see the consequences of it. Okay. So again instruction is being given. Look before you leap. Okay, so it will be an imperative sentence. 14 number, he can't make such a silly mistake. Children, which kind of sentence is this? Negative sentence. Okay, and it states something, it declares something. So it will be an assertive sentence. I hope you all have checked the answers. Come to, okay, one more question is there. 15. Does Aryan play the guitar? See, question mark is there, so it will become an interrogative sentence. Come to Roman number 2 now. Make 4 kinds of sentences using these words. The first one has been done for you. We have discussed it yesterday. Let us discuss it once again. Number 1 is honest. Assertive sentence, Rajan was an honest person. Interrogative sentence, is he an honest person? Imperative sentence, always be honest. An exclamatory sentence, what an honest leader he was. Okay. Now we will move to question number 2, that is beautiful. Assertive sentence, anything you can write. My mom is very beautiful, or Aishwarya Rai is a beautiful actress. You can write the favorite actress of yours. Interrogative sentence, what you can write in interrogative sentence means you have to ask a question. Have you seen that beautiful scenery or flower? Or you can also write, from where have you purchased this beautiful dress? Second is imperative, means you can command, order, request, or suggest something. Okay, you must look beautiful in the party or in your wedding, okay, or in your farewell. Anything you can write. Exclamatory sentence, you have to show expression. What a beautiful dress, or what a beautiful scenery is there. Fine. What is the next one, children? Third one is wisdom. Okay, first tell me, what is the meaning of wisdom? Wise person has wisdom, no? So wisdom means quality of having experience or knowledge. So let us frame sentence with wisdom. Assertive sentence. I want to tell you one proverb here regarding this. Like, experience is the mother of wisdom. Okay, or you can also say wisdom comes with ages, obviously. Maturity comes with ages when you will grow up. Okay. And question number 2 is interrogative. You have to frame a question here. So can you write, isn't wisdom a great power? Or from the first sentence, can you frame question? Is it true that wisdom comes with ages? Okay, children, let us see the next page. Next page is, we have to frame sentence with imperative, means command sentence. Can we say, beware of his wisdom? Yes, we can say. Exclamatory sentence, can we say, alas, he failed again in the test of wisdom? After alas, we will give exclamation mark. Let us see the fourth one. Look, children, I am just giving examples. Okay, you can write your own sentences. First one is assertive sentence. Look, is a very easy word. Okay, you can write on your own. Assertive. Assertive means when you declare or state something. The children will look in their book. Yes, obviously, or the children will look in the screen. Interrogative, you have to frame a question. Will you please look in your book? I am asking a question to you. Will you please look in your book? Will you please look on the screen here? Imperative, giving a command. Look into this matter. Or look into the concept of sentences. Take a look in the sentence. Anything you can write. Exclamatory sentence, again you have to express something. Look, the sun is rising. Here, children, after look, you have to give exclamation mark. So you can frame your own sentence. I have just given examples. Roman number 3, match the situation with the exclamation. First one, your sister won a medal. Children, obviously when anyone will from your family won a medal, you will be very happy, and what will you do? You will motivate them, praise them. You will say, well done. You get a gift, then what do you say when you get a gift from your friend or your relative, parents? You say, thanks a lot. Third one, you tread on some broken glass. Oh my God, it will hurt so much, children. So what will you say? Ouch, right? Your team lost the match. You will be so sad, unhappy. So you will say, oh no, I lost the match. Number 5, a child is about to stumble. He is about to fall down. So what you will say? Be careful. Look forward and walk. You will say like this. Okay, children, we have discussed the answers. So you can check the answers. If it is correct, it means very good. You have understood the chapter. If it is wrong, no problem. We are here to learn everything. Fine. If it is wrong, just erase it and write the correct answer. Okay, children, that's all. Thank you.